Mastering Kitchen Verbs, Blanch the Tomatoes Explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful cooking technique that often pops up in recipes around the world. Blanching tomatoes. If you're keen on enhancing your cooking skills while expanding your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it means to blanch tomatoes, how it's done, and why it's a technique cherished by cooks of all levels. Blanching is a cooking process involving two main steps: briefly boiling food and then plunging it into ice water. This method is not limited to tomatoes. It can be applied to a variety of foods, including vegetables and fruits. The key purpose of blanching is to soften the food, preserve its vibrant color, and make it easier to peel. You might wonder why tomatoes, in particular, need blanching. The reasons are quite practical. 1. Easier peeling. The skin of tomatoes can be tough and unpleasant in some dishes. Blanching simplifies the peeling process. 2. Preserves color and texture. Blanching tomatoes helps in maintaining their bright red color and appropriate texture, especially useful in salads and sauces. 3. Preparation for freezing. If you plan to freeze tomatoes, blanching them first can help maintain their quality over time. Let's break down the blanching process into easy-to-follow steps. 1. Boil water. Start by boiling a pot of water. The water should be enough to cover the tomatoes you plan to blanch. 2. Prepare tomatoes. While the water is heating, make a small X incision at the bottom of each tomato. This will make peeling them later much easier. 3. Blanching time. Once the water is boiling, gently place the tomatoes in the pot. Leave them for about 30 seconds or until you see the skin starting to peel away at the incision. 4. Ice bath. Prepare a bowl of ice water. After blanching, immediately transfer the tomatoes into the ice bath. This stops the cooking process and cools them down quickly. 5. Peeling. Once cooled, you can easily peel the skin off starting from the incision made earlier. Timing is key. Overblanching can make tomatoes mushy. Keep an eye on the clock. Use ripe tomatoes. They blanch better and taste sweeter. Ice bath ready. Have it prepared before you start blanching to transfer tomatoes immediately. Blanching tomatoes is a simple yet effective technique to enhance your cooking and English learning journey. Whether you're making a fresh salsa, a hearty tomato sauce, or preparing ingredients for freezing, knowing how to blanch tomatoes can make a significant difference. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy cooking, and see you in our next culinary English adventure.